Ever stepped on the gas pedal and felt the engine hesitate, stumble, or maybe even puff out a little black smoke before it finally decides to go? That is incredibly frustrating. And if your check engine light is on with the code P0124, you are dealing with a throttle position sensor, or TPS, circuit A intermittent issue. This is a generic powertrain code common on vehicles from 1996 onwards, like Dodges, Jeeps, and Hyundais. Here is what is happening under the hood. Your throttle position sensor is basically a volume knob for your engine. As you press the pedal, a wiper inside the sensor moves across a circuit board, changing the voltage signal sent to the car's computer. The computer uses this signal to know exactly how much air is coming in so it can inject the right amount of fuel and time the spark perfectly. When you get a code with the word intermittent in the description, it means the computer is seeing the signal cut out or spike randomly, not constantly. It's like a scratched record that skips only sometimes. This is why you might feel that hesitation. The computer suddenly loses track of where your foot is and doesn't know whether to accelerate or idle. It can cause poor fuel economy, hard starting, and jerky performance. Diagnosing this can be tricky because the problem comes and goes. Start by popping the hood and looking at the wiring connector on the throttle body. Give it a wiggle. Is it loose? Are the wires frayed? Sometimes it's just a bad connection. If the wiring looks solid, you need to catch the sensor in the act. The best way to do this is with a voltmeter or a scan tool that can show live data. With the engine off but the ignition on, watch the voltage of the TPS on your screen while you very slowly press the gas pedal from closed to wide open. You should see the voltage climb smoothly from about 0.5 volts up to 4.5 volts. If you see the numbers drop to zero suddenly or spike up and down erratically while you are moving the pedal smoothly, you have found your problem. That sensor has a dead spot or a glitch in its internal track. Since these sensors are essentially wear items that get moved every time you drive, they eventually wear out. Replacing the TPS is usually a straightforward job that restores that snappy throttle response and gets rid of that annoying hesitation, making your drive smooth again.